Warning, CP is not a professional chef but can still help you find and make your next amazing meal. So let's not waste any more time and 走起吧. To make this amazing meal, you only need 4 basic ingredients. This includes 2 eggs, 1 or 2 slices of bread, a few slices of ham, and a slice of butter. In my opinion, the cheese is optional and may not be for everybody, but I usually like to add it in to give the overall meal a little bit more flavor. For those that want a lighter meal, it might make sense to reduce the portion of butter. But do remember that without enough butter, it will be a little bit harder to flip or move the eggs around once they're on your frying pan. As an optional step, I like adding in some ketchup as well, as I feel like it balances out the saltiness and makes it taste a little bit sweeter. Personally, I like to cook my eggs a little bit longer as it makes everything crunchier and gives my meal a little bit more texture. I hope you enjoyed this video and will be making this amazing meal for yourself very soon. If you want to see more easy recipes, it would be greatly appreciated if you subscribe right now, and I'll love you forever. I promise. For 15 years of good luck, hit that like button now and activate your good fortunes. Do it now.